Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I have another unboxing, and this time I'm going to be unboxing the iPad 8th generation. So I had recently unboxed the 7th generation, and by recently I mean around 3 months or so. And so far I've enjoyed using that iPad, and recently the new version was released. So the new version has some upgrades, and it's definitely a pretty nice upgrade. The 7th generation had the A10 chipset, and it had 3 gigabytes of RAM. And so this one right here had an upgrade to the chipset by getting the A12 Bionic, which is definitely way better than the A10. So this will outperform that device by a lot, and I will try to make some comparisons between those two iPads just to see how much better this is. But for now, today I'm just going to be unboxing this device and I guess giving you guys my first impressions on how it feels and how it looks and whatnot. So let us begin. So I got the 128 gigabyte variant right here, and it's the Wi-Fi only. Usually when I buy iPads, I never go for the cellular version because I don't find it very nice, and I tend to not use my iPad with LTE anyways. I usually have my phone around, and that's the reason why it does not affect me too much. So let me go ahead and get this wrapper off real quick, and I shall bring it back. Okay, so we have that. Let's pull it off. Okay, and we now have that off. Okay, let's throw that to the side. Not too important. You guys already know the box is very similar to what they've been doing. It's basically the same box with the older variants of this. So I guess we shouldn't expect too many new things, but let us begin. Let's see if this can come off easily, if it can slide off easily. But that does not seem like it's happening, so I'm just gonna try and budge it out a little, shake it. Come on, Apple. Okay, and that is out. So in the top cover, there isn't anything. You're not gonna find nothing there. There is a little barcode there, I guess. But other than that, there's nothing in the top area. Then we obviously have our iPad. I got the gold variant again. I had the gold for the 7th gen, and I enjoy the gold color on iPads. It looks pretty nice, and it looks pretty classy. So we have a little box here, designed by Apple in California, and we probably have some Apple stickers and some manuals and whatnot, so we do not need to read those. Those aren't pretty important, and if you have opened and unboxed an iPad or used an iPad before, you know this is not too important. We have a new brick. So this is their USB-C to Lightning cable, and they have started including this with every iPad basically. So what this means is we're going to be getting faster charging. I believe this has 18 watts of fast charging. Not sure if this is the 20 watt variant, but let's just check. And if it can focus, let me put my hand behind it. It's the 20 watt variant. So that's pretty nice. You're getting the new charger with your new iPad. The other variants, well, the 7th gen had come with a 12 watt brick, and that brick has been used for basically every iPad that I've owned. So it's been out for a while, and it was time for a change, and Apple finally gave us this brand new design with USB-C to Lightning. Unfortunately, the iPad does still use Lightning, so it is not like the iPad Pro where it uses USB-C, but I guess that is okay since we are still receiving fast charging. So now that we have that out of the way, let us unbox the iPad. So I'm going to be quiet right here so you can hear it. Nothing too much, not like other devices. However, that was still a pretty satisfying sound. If I can grab this and pull it out, throw that to the side, and we are presented with our beautiful gold iPad. So overall, this iPad looks pretty nice and feels the same. Nothing too different other than internals. Everything on the inside. We still have our headphone jack right here, if you can see, right there, and our Lightning port, our speaker grills. If I can manage to focus it. Let me just go do that. Yep. So we have our Lightning port, speaker grills, and overall it's the same design, which is a pretty nice design. They haven't changed it up. However, it is a pretty enjoyable design, and something I like to say is it's a pretty clean design. So far it looks pretty nice, and I feel like I'm gonna have a great time with this iPad as well. The iPad 7th gen didn't disappoint me, and I think this isn't either. So that's about it, guys. I showed you guys what comes in the box and just unboxed it. I will probably be making impressions video or like a day later video just to see how well it is so far and to keep you guys updated on this iPad. So that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.